Hey, Travel fam, welcome back to another episode. I'm currently in the northeast of United States. I'm in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. It's a beautiful day. I'm here for work, so I'm gonna take advantage of the beautiful day, walk around, and show you the town. So stay tuned.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire is the state's oldest settlement, known for its rich history as a fisher town and a thriving downtown area. Founded in 1623, a fishing settlement was established at the mouth of the Piscataqua River, marking the bourne of Portsmouth. It served as a crucial port and shipbuilding center, playing a significant role in the American Revolution and beyond. Fishing, lumbering, and shipbuilding were the town's major industries. Portsmouth was incorporated in 1653 and named to honor his founder, John Mason, who had been a captain of Portsmouth, England. The city became a colonial capital as the capital of the province of New Hampshire in 1679, which during the Revolutionary War was moved inland for safety. In 1800, the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, which is the first federal naval shipyard in the U.S., was established in Kittery, Maine, just across the river. In 1849, Portsmouth was officially incorporated as a city of the United States. Today, Portsmouth, New Hampshire is a vibrant coastal city offering abundant historical sites, cultural attractions, and a thriving restaurant and shopping scene. It is a popular tourist destination, particularly during the summer, with over 7 million visitors annually. Portsmouth has 7 national historic landmarks, and the city history is closely tied to the Piscataqua River, which has both shaped its growth and influenced its character and charming. And by the way, some of the places that you can visit during your stay here in Portsmouth, you can visit the well-preserved historic downtown area, which is full with shops, art galleries, waterfront dining options, restaurant, bars. It's very lively. You can visit the Strawberry Museum, a living history museum with over 40 historic buildings from here, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, from 1965 to 1950. There's a music hall, which is a historic theater of diverse ranges of performances, including music, theater, and dance. You can check the Prescott Park, a waterfront park featuring gardens. They do events there, and the views are beautiful. There's also the Market Square, which is pretty much the heart of downtown, and you'll find more shops, restaurants, and the iconic North Shore, which is like the one that you're seeing here. And the waterfront area, it's very popular. You can see the Piscataqua River and walk around. Sometimes they say you can do whale washing from there. It's just beautiful. You can also visit the USS Albacore, which is it was a submarine. Now it's a museum, and you can see how everything inside is pretty cool and learn about the naval history. But the tourism highlights for Portsmouth, the food is really good. Definitely arts and the culture. You will feel it. You will see it. There's galleries around outside. There's the sculptures around when you walk through downtown. The history, the naval history of Portsmouth, very interesting, very walkable and bike friendly. So if it's a nice day, walk around, stroll through the city, check out the location, the spots, check out the shops, little cafes. And the good thing is that New Hampshire is one of the few tax-free states. So anything that you buy, you're not paying taxes for it. So a lot of people go to Portsmouth, to New Hampshire in general, but Portsmouth to shop, to do their yearly shopping. So fun fact, even though New Hampshire has a lot of sea coast, Portsmouth is the only seaport in New Hampshire. It also boasts the largest collection of historic houses in America. The Portsmouth Naval Shipyard is the oldest continuously operating shipyard in the U.S. Navy. They also do an annual event called Market Square Day, which is produced by Pro Portsmouth, which is a non-profit organization. Super fun, they say. Another fun fact, the city downtown area is characterized by its brick buildings, by their brick architecture, and most buildings looks like feral buildings. This came a result of when they rebuilt the city after the early 19th century fires.
Hey, so we found this little park in Portsmouth. Beautiful area, very relaxing. I love a fish town. It's, and you can see Maine right behind me. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see the little duckies coming in.
So, Trail fam, this was Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Hope you got to learn some old American history with me that I also learned. So, let me know which other small town should I check out, and just put it in the comments and I'll look it up and see if I can make it happen. And again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. I'm really enjoying doing this. Don't forget to press that bell notification to get that notification when I release every episode. Drop in the comments what you like, and I hope I see you in the next one. Happy summer.